Hi, welcome to the Antioch Santa Barbara Writing Center tutorial on Google Slides. This tutorial is going to give an overview of Google Slides on how to get started. We're going to cover creating a new slideshow, an overview of the toolbar and slide layouts, copying and duplicating your slides, and reordering your slides. As a first step, you can get to Google Slides by logging into your Antioch Gmail. At the top of your Antioch Gmail, you're going to see a grid. In that grid, you're going to have everything that comes with the Gmail suite. One of those things is slides. To get started, go ahead and click where it says slides. After you click where it says slides, you're going to see a screen that has a blank slide for start a new presentation. Go ahead and click there to open up a new slide presentation. Right away, you're going to see that there are some themes that you could use. I recommend avoiding the themes and starting from just a blank presentation. The themes can be visually unattractive and not that great to use. So we're just going to go ahead and X out of that. You're going to automatically be given a title slide. You can click here to go ahead and add your presentation title. You might want to have a subtitle too. You don't necessarily have to. And then that's your first slide. You can see up here it says Untitled Presentation. If you click in that box, it's going to name it whatever you've put here in your title slide. One great feature of Google Slides is that it automatically saves your work as you go. So up here we can see that the last edit was a second ago or a few seconds ago, and it's automatically constantly saving and storing your slides online. I want to give you a brief overview of the toolbar area. Here the first thing you're going to see is the plus, and it's a drop-down menu here. You're going to see that we have all these different options for slide layouts. You can start a new slide by clicking on one of these layouts. So for instance, if I wanted to have a slide that had some title and some body, I would just click there to add my new slide. We also have our undo and redo buttons here, which are really useful. This is where you could add a text box. This slide already has two text boxes, but I could add another one. You can insert images. This is going to give you the background information and then the layout, theme, transition. We'll talk about those later. If you click in the text box, then you're going to get your menu expanded and you're going to get all those options for what you can do with text, such as making it bold, changing the color, changing the alignment. So everything is just up here across the top. We also have in the file area where you can share, download, make a new presentation. Our undo and redo are here also. This is where you have present mode. Motion is just animation. Here is also where you can insert images, text box, videos, shapes, all sorts of things. And you can add a new slide this way here too. Another option for adding new slides is we can see that this slide right here, I'll just add some text to it, already has a little bit of text on it. If I wanted to duplicate that slide, it's highlighted in yellow over here. I could go ahead and just do Command C and Command V to duplicate that slide. So that's another option for duplicating slides. Over here on the left, we can see the order my slides are going to appear. To change that order, you can just click on the slide and drag it. So if I wanted to move this slide later, I can move it. I can click undo to undo that, or I can just move it back. So that's how you would reorder the slides. And then up here at the top, we see present. This is going to get us into presenter mode. So you'll click on this to present your slides. Thanks for watching this brief overview of getting started. We have some other Google Slides video tutorials up if you want to check those out. One on adding text, how to format images, embedding videos, and sharing and presenting your slides. We're also happy to meet with you for a one-on-one appointment. We're open to meet with all Antioch Santa Barbara students, so you can email the Writing Center to schedule an appointment. Thank you.